Arjun sat outside the interview room, looking at his resume. He looked at the other candidates. One had a university degree, another had years of office experience. Arjun looked at his own resume and sighed.
Maybe I'm not good enough for this job.
His resume had gaps. No big company name, no impressive degree, no long list of professional jobs. But there was something else on his resume, something most people would have hidden. Arjun had left college in his second year to support his family. For 2 years, he ran a small tea stall. He worked from morning until night. The business eventually failed. It was painful, but Arjun didn't stop learning. During quiet hours, he used an old phone to learn graphic design. At night, he practiced. He also cared for his sick mother. His life wasn't perfect, but every difficult experience had taught him something. Arjun could have added a fake job title. He could have bought a fake certificate. But he didn't. Instead, he added a section to his resume. What life taught me. Under it, he wrote, running my tea stall taught me how to deal with difficult customers. Caring for my mother taught me patience and responsibility. Learning design on my own taught me that I can learn without giving up. He also attached a small portfolio of designs he had made for local shops. Then he walked into the interview. The hiring manager looked at his resume. He read it carefully. Then he looked at Arjun.
Your career path is quite different.
Arjun took a breath.
Yes, it is. I don't have the perfect background, but I know how to work hard. I know how to learn. And when something goes wrong, I don't give up easily.
The manager smiled.
Tell me about your tea stall.
Arjun smiled. For the first time that day, he felt confident. He told his story honestly. After the interview, Arjun stood up.
Thank you for your time.
The manager smiled.
Arjun, we're not looking for a perfect resume. We're looking for someone who is willing to learn. We'd like you to join our team.
Arjun couldn't believe it. His biggest weakness had become his biggest strength. His gaps were not empty. They were full of life, work, learning, and courage.
Don't be ashamed of the gaps in your story. Maybe you had to support your family. Maybe you lost a job. Maybe you changed direction. Maybe you had to start again. Your journey doesn't have to look perfect to have value. Be honest. Keep learning. Show what you can do. Your story may be different, and that's okay.
Arjun didn't have a perfect education or an easy path, but he never stopped learning. His journey shows us that learning English is also an investment in your future. Let's learn today's practical English phrases.
Today's practical English phrases. I'm not sure I'm good enough. I don't have the perfect background. I learned a lot from that experience. I had to start again. I didn't give up. I'm willing to learn. Thank you for your time. I'd like to improve my skills. Weekend English Challenge. Don't just learn the phrases. Use one of them today in your own sentence.